This free gift for all. Yes. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Welcome to Flying Skies One. आप कैसे हो? Let me know this answer in the comment section, please. Yes. Today we'll see a new app. This is an online food delivery app, just like Swiggy and Zomato. We have this new app coming up. As you see in the picture, it is named after eatclub. If you are a food lover, you can enjoy wide variety of dishes over here. You have got top brand restaurants from which you can order food and nearby eatery as well. With offers and deals coming up daily, you can check out. Once you order the food will be delivered in 15 minutes of time. Coming to free gift. Free gift is available for all. There's no minimum order you got to place. If you are new to this, you can use my referral code and get 200 off on your first 3 orders. And not only that, you can avail free gift. I'll tell you how in the later part of the video. As you see in the picture, these are some of the food items we have ordered. These are starters. As you see in the picture, I'm showing the dips. And this is chicken tikka we have ordered. It's hot and tasty. Sorry, I forgot to tell you. The food items are starting from 10 rupees. You can check out the menu. Free delivery also is available. Here comes biryani. This is matka biryani. You know how tasty is matka biryani, right? If you're interested, you can release this flavor of matka biryani. It is tasty. Along with biryani, raita is given. And you see the parantha covered up on the pot. Let's open it now. You can enjoy the parantha and biryani as well. You need not throw parantha. The instructions are given on the box. So you can eat parantha without any hesitation. How is biryani? Let me know in the comment section. Here comes desserts. The first dessert is gulab jamun. Next we see chocolate mousse. You can relish all these flavors. They are worth to taste. Here comes the end of all items we have ordered on eatclub in the recent times. Now it's time to unbox the free gift that is given by eatclub. So here comes the free gift. When you place your first order or the second order, you can claim this free gift. As you see in the picture, this is super cool gift in this rainy season, right? Of course, this is a refuge in this rainy season to prevent us all from being drenched in the rain. Yes, you got it right. This is umbrella, as you see in the picture. It's a good quality umbrella. It's a big one as well. You can check out how good is this. When you place the order, you have to apply the code of umbrella to claim as free gift or freebie. I'll show you how in the later part of the video. You can use the referral code and get 200 off on your first 3 orders as well. Now we'll see how to do that. Without any delay, let's get started. As I told earlier, I'm repeating the same. Using the referral code while placing the order will give you 200 off on your first 3 orders. So do check out. As you see in the picture, you got to click on the link. I'll provide this link also in the description box with the referral code. After you click on the link, you get the app from the Google Play Store, allow location and allow permission to use the app. As you see in the picture, this is how the home screen looks. You see here free umbrella as a freebie or free gift. You can avail worth rupees 300 on placing your order. Now you can explore different cuisines and relish the flavors by ordering them. First you click on account as shown in the picture. Then click on sign in. You can sign in with your phone number or mail, whatever you like. Please note, if you sign in with your mail, you'll be asked also to sign in with your phone number. So sign in with your phone number as shown in the picture and click on submit. After you sign in, you can place your first order as you see in the picture. If you want offers, you can click on offers tab as shown in the picture, and you have got many offers here for new users and old users as well. You can check out. Now I'll show you how to place the first order using the referral code. And not only that, you can get free gift as well. There's no minimum order as I told earlier. As you see in the picture, there are many food items available. You can click on any of the item. After clicking on the item, you'll be given the option to customize the menu. As you see in the picture, you select and click on add to cart. After you finish adding up all the items in the cart, you click on continue. Here you see all the items that you have added on the cart. You can edit your order if you don't want by using plus and minus over here. Okay, we have come to the crucial part of the video. If you want to apply free umbrella coupon and place your first order to get free gift, you can go for it. And in the next two orders, you can use my referral code while placing the order to get 200 off on your order. I'll show you either ways, you can check out. Okay, if you want 200 off on your order, you go to coupons and credits as shown in the picture. Click on apply promo code. Now you got to enter the referral code here. I'll provide this code also in the description box. You can check out. You can copy the code from there and come and paste over here. If you want, you can pause the video and enter the referral code. After you enter the referral code, click on apply. That's it, done. As you see in the picture, you see the referral code being applied on your order. After you apply the referral coupon, click on add address, give your address. After giving the address, click on make payment. Various payment modes are available. You can choose any of those and make payment. And that's it, done. After making the payment, your order is placed. Now I'll show you how to apply free umbrella coupon and claim your free gift. As you see in the picture, you go to coupons and credits, click on apply promo code. As you see in the picture, select umbrella and click on apply. That's it, done. You see here, freebie, that is free umbrella, is available on this order for you. After applying the coupon, click on add address, give your address and make payment. That's it, done. Your order is placed. Enjoy your free gift and referral reward on eatclub. Did you like this app? Let me know in the comment section how is the experience. And do subscribe to Flying Skies 1 for more videos and offers. Thanks for watching. Keep smiling. Have a good day.